10 Best Weight Loss Snacks. Losing weight can be a difficult journey, but choosing the right snacks can help keep you on track. In this video, we'll be discussing 10 of the best weight loss snacks that will help keep you full and satisfied, without the added calories. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is an excellent source of protein, which can help you to keep full and satisfied. It's also low in calories, making him a great weight loss snack. You can mix it with some berries to make it tastier. Berries. Berries such as strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries are low in calories and high in fiber, making them a great weight loss snack. They're also packed with antioxidants, which can help boost your overall health. You can eat them fresh or frozen, add them to your smoothies, or make a berry salad. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds such as almonds, walnuts, and flax seeds are high in healthy fats and protein, making them a great weight loss snack. They're also low in calories, making them a great option for those trying to lose weight. Just be careful with the portion size, as they are calorie dense. Hard-boiled eggs. Hard-boiled eggs are a great source of protein and are low in calories, making them a great weight loss snack. You can make a batch of them on Sunday and have them ready for the week. Hummus and veggies. Hummus is a great source of protein and fiber, and when paired with veggies like carrots, cucumbers, and bell peppers, it makes for a low-calorie, satisfying snack. You can make your own hummus or buy it at the store. Popcorn. Popcorn is a low-calorie snack that's high in fiber, which can help keep you full and satisfied. Just make sure to avoid adding butter or other high-calorie toppings. You can make it on the stove or in the microwave, and add some spices for flavor. Apple slices with peanut butter. Apples are high in fiber and low in calories, and when paired with a small amount of peanut butter, they make a satisfying weight loss snack. Protein bars. Protein bars can be a convenient weight loss snack, but be sure to choose ones with high protein content and low sugar. Look for bars with less than 10 grams of sugar and at least 10 grams of protein. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is a great source of protein and is low in calories, making it a great weight loss snack. You can add some berries or nuts on top for added flavor. Smoothies. Smoothies made with fruits, veggies, and a source of protein can be a great weight loss snack. Just make sure to watch the sugar content and avoid using added sweeteners. Thanks for watching.